Today's top 10 AI stories. Your first story today on the AI Chronicle, Qwen3.5-Omni is here. Scaling up to a native omni-modal AGI. Multimodal AI has grown from novelty to a must in recent times. If I were to tell you to work on an AI model that only understands text, you would probably laugh and throw 10 model names at me that can work across formats, be it text, audio, or visuals. The post Qwen3.5-Omni is here. Scaling up to a native omni-modal AGI appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Next on the AI Chronicle, Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, AI conversations now feel way more human. Do you remember the very first AI voice conversation that you had? No doubt, it felt unreal getting live answers from a talking bot. But the one thing largely missing from the interaction was the feel of a human responding to your queries. Years on, we now see AI models have evolved largely in this, the post-Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, AI conversations now feel way more human appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Coming up on the AI Chronicle, Crisis Contractor for OpenAI, Anthropic eyes a move to combat extremism. The company is in discussions with the Christchurch Call, an initiative to stamp out online hate formed after New Zealand's worst terrorist attack in 2019. Industry groups are expected to respond with lobbying efforts and proposed amendments. Companies have a narrow window to adjust their products before any rules take effect. Here's your next story on the AI Chronicle, AI tools to increase IVF success rate and reduce patient costs. By improving precision and consistency, the adoption of AI has the potential to reduce the need for repeat cycles, thereby lowering the emotional, physical, and financial burden on patients. Industry analysts and competitors will respond as more details become public. Follow-up announcements and product roadmap updates are expected in the coming weeks. Next up in your AI Chronicle briefing, Claude Code Leak, 16 Lessons on Building Production-Ready AI Systems. Over the past 24 hours, the developer community has been obsessed with one thing. The source code of Claude Code, one of the most advanced AI coding systems, surfaced online. Within hours, GitHub was flooded with forks, breakdowns, and deep dives. For developers, it felt like rare access. While for Anthropic, it was the post-Claude Code Leak, 16 Lessons on Building Production-Ready AI Systems appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Coming next on the AI Chronicle, Fine-Tuning versus RAG versus Prompt Engineering. AI demos often look impressive, delivering fast responses, polished communication, and strong performance in controlled environments. But once real users interact with the system, issues surface like hallucinations, inconsistent tone, and answers that should never be given. What seemed ready for production quickly creates friction and exposes the gap between demo success and real-world reliability. The post Fine-Tuning versus RAG versus Prompt Engineering appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Your next story on the AI Chronicle is Netanyahu real or AI? Vertical bar Generative AI Votes Truth of West Asia War. So how do you prove what's real is real when the line between reality and fabrication has blurred so much in the fog of the West Asia War? Industry analysts and competitors will respond as more details become public. Follow-up announcements and product roadmap updates are expected in the coming weeks. Here's what's next on the AI Chronicle, Mamba 4 Explained, a faster alternative to transformers for sequential modeling. Transformers revolutionized AI but struggle with long sequences due to quadratic complexity, leading to high computational and memory costs that limit scalability and real-time use. This creates a need for faster, more efficient alternatives. Mamba 4 addresses this using state space models with selective mechanisms, enabling linear time processing while maintaining strong performance. It suits tasks like, the post-Mamba 4 explained, a faster alternative to transformers for sequential modeling appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Up next on the AI Chronicle, OpenAI's financial milestone, VC funding growth in Q1. Hello, India is officially counting its people. Census 2027 kicked off in the country on Wednesday. The 16th population count in India, 8th since independence, will be held in 2 phases. The world's largest exercise of its kind takes a digital-first approach involving a self-enumeration portal. The new capital will accelerate hiring, infrastructure build-out, and product development. Expect new product announcements and potential follow-on deals within the quarter. The AI that outperforms human experts across every discipline just went live for everyone. Over at OpenAI, GPT-5 just shattered every reasoning benchmark on record, hitting 96% on the MMLU, that's above board-certified human performance in medicine, law, and science combined. The model brings a 256,000 token context window, meaning it can process entire codebases or legal documents in one shot. Enterprise API access opens this week. What's extraordinary is the speed of deployment, from benchmark to production in days. Expect a wave of GPT-5-powered applications launching in the coming weeks as developers race to integrate the world's most capable model. Enjoying the AI Chronicle? Please like, follow, subscribe, comment and share. Help us make AI knowledge reachable for more people. Your support helps us produce better quality news every day. That's your AI Chronicle update for today. Hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell for daily AI news. See you tomorrow.